ancestor who many people believe in his great explorations came all the way over here.
Actually really using manaakitanga to do very difficult things.
He was an explorer, a leader and a scientist.
Someone who can unite them all together.
If we are not all together in the collective pursuit of human dignity, then none of us will truly progress.
What are you guys up to?
No matter where you come from, Māori, te moana nui a kiwa, hold fast to your culture, hold fast to your tikanga, because that is what will ensure you are successful in this world.
Stay out of dangerous floodwater.
So that our Kiwi innovation and ingenuity reverberate on a grander scale.
An art form from our tūpuna.
I need to stay true to who I am. Indigenously placed leaders from all around the world.
We're the powerful storytellers. We're powerful, our Aotearoa here. They understand that they are great storytellers.
We looked at the relationships that our tūpuna had with the oceans. We also have a deep past, an ancestral past, an ancestral legacy that we don't want to lose track of.
Tikanga and ohana equals oranga.